Good afternoon. Here in Korea, tourists can make tax refunds and currency exchange. So this is one of the what you call this ATM machine or whatever you call it. So here, this is perfect for foreign tourists. So we are going to get the Korean won and then select. We are going to buy Korean won and then get cash, select, and then I'm going to use my Chinese yuan, the remaining Chinese yuan I had when we went to, and then you have to scan your passport, something like this. Kasi ito ay para sa mga turista lang, no? So, pagkatapos noon, pipili tayo ng Chinese yuan, lalagay natin dito sa isang, dalawang, tatlo. And then you press withdraw. Then would you like to print your receipt? Yes. Then they're processing the currency exchange. When finished, you have to take your passport. Okay? So it's 100%. So I have here the Korean won. Ito na yun. Igagastusin na tayo. And then I will have the resibo. So very, very good for foreign tourists dito sa Korea, wherein you can exchange your currency to Korean won. Bye-bye!